Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I will show you how to install a set of aftermarket door sill scuff plate on this Nissan Rogue. Now these ones I got has a Rogue name on it, so it has an OEM look to it, and it's a nice accessory you can install on your Nissan Rogue. Installation is very easy, so let's get started. Here are the 4 pieces of door sill scuff plate. As you can see, each piece has a Rogue name on it. To install this into the car, if you look on the back, it comes with double-sided tape. All you have to do is remove the backing on double-sided tape and then you stick this directly on the door sill. You don't have to drill any holes or install any screws. The 2 long pieces you see here is for the front row. These 2 smaller ones is for the second row. And here's a look at the long one. So let's start with the front passenger side. And if you look at the door sill right here, that scuff plate is going to be installed right in this position right here. After you install it, it will protect the painted surface that's on this door sill. Now the first thing I need to do is get some rubbing alcohol and clean this surface. Right here I have a paper towel and some rubbing alcohol. Clean this entire surface. Now if you look at the door sill, right here is a raised edge, and on the scuff plate there's also an indentation where it will fit along this raised edge. And let me show you what it looks like after I install it. So you want to install it along this edge right here, and you want to center this between this piece right here. Using a knife, I'm going to remove part of the backing on this double-sided tape on the end. Now you don't need to remove it all the way, just fold this over like this. Do it for all 4 corners. Using a measuring tape to measure the length of this panel, I'll mark the center line. Same thing for the scuff plate right here. Now with this weather stripping pressing against the inside edge of this door sill, it's going to be hard to remove this backing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this first. Now carefully line up the middle. Push it all the way in. Once you have this lined up, bring this down. Remove the backing on the front one. Now hold this down for about a minute. Remove the masking tape. And here's a look at this installed door sill scuff plate. Right here you're looking at the second row passenger side. The scuff plate will be installed right here. First I'll clean the surface. Now with this rear one, I've taken this raised edge you see right here and marked the center line of this raised edge. I've also marked the center line of this scuff plate, and I'll be installing it right here in this position. Just like the front one, I'll remove the backing for the inside edge. Now push this inside edge all the way in. Remove the backing on the front edge. Hold this down for a minute. Now this one's done. Here's a look at this second row sill plate. I'll repeat the same procedure for the driver's side. Here's a look at the installed door sill scuff plate. As you can see, these look very nice, and it has an OEM look to it. Installation is also very easy. Now these retail for about $38 for a set of 4. If you're interested, I'll include the link in the video description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.